Hello everyone, this is Moe Hdaib and this is my project pitch. So let's begin. My project idea, I've decided to participate in the UN COVID-19 Detect and Protect Challenge, and to serve the purpose properly, I have to design my project to serve people that have limited resources, as well as make it an embedded system that's worth a while. So I decided to aim my project to the detection process of COVID-19, mainly because, as we all know by now, the first step to eliminate the virus in many communities is to detect the people that have the virus, to isolate them, and so on and so forth. So there's like 3 steps of my project idea. So the basic idea of my project is to use resources that every hospital have, especially in limited resources communities like developing countries, mainly because testing kits right now are really limited in the world. So my project goal is to detect COVID-19 as accurate as possible using resources that already existing in many hospitals. So the project will use chest X-ray images to try detect COVID-19. The basic infrastructure for the project uses deep learning and neural network from Keras and TensorFlow to train a model through existing chest X-ray images. So we have datasets, one dataset of patients that have COVID-19 and another dataset from chest X-ray images from healthy patients, and we fed those datasets to the model to detect COVID-19 as accurate as possible. The last step is to make this project as user-friendly as possible, mainly because the target users are hospitals, and generally hospitals doesn't have the time or the background to deal with many technical issues. So this project will use a graphical user interface to lower the learning curve as much as possible. So finally, this is my project diagram. First, the computer of the doctor or something like that, we connect to the Raspberry Pi remotely, mainly because we need to reduce human connections as much as possible. So we connect to the Raspberry Pi that run Python script that outputs a graphical user interface to ask the doctors or the hospital to enter the new patient X-ray chest image. And after that, depending on that result, the model call a function online to the particle device that will turn the red LED on if the patient tested COVID-19 positive, or the blue LED if the patient tested negative. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.